In front of me is XIAOMI Pad 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. First of all, you need to launch your keyboard and click on microphone at the top right corner. If you don't have microphone icon, select gear 1 instead. Click on voice typing over here and use this switcher next to use voice typing to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard and tap on no visible microphone. Select while using the app in the pop-up and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wanna stop, you can pause or click on the same microphone. Quick tip, you can also tap on your microphone and select minimalize, that will appear right next to it. Then use voice typing from this toolbar after tapping on next and selecting done. Operate microphone the same way. Delete text thanks to this button with an X. Add emojis by clicking on smiley face, selecting the ones you want, and then close emoji icon by tapping on this corner on the X one. If you wish to access some available options from here, click on those three lines on the left. To move your toolbar around, just hold it, drag it, and let go. And last but not least, to go back to standard keyboard, use keyboard icon on the left. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!